Today we will discuss linear equations in two variables. In the last video we have seen that there are three types of pairs of lines possible. This is the first type when these two lines have one point of intersection, and second type both these lines represent the same line, and the third case is these two lines in the pair are parallel. So first case is one point, second case is all points, third case is no point. So here solution is 1, here all the points are solutions of these equations, and here there is no solution for these two sets of linear equations. Now we are going to the exercise. Aftaf tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So we will take Altaf age as x and daughter age equal to y. So what he says, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you. So 7 years ago means x minus 7. So Altaf's percentage is x now. So 7 years back he was having x minus 7 years of age. So that is equal to 7 times as old as his daughter. So 7 years back daughter's age was y minus 7. So this value is 7 times this. So this value is equal to this value into 7. So this is equation number 1. Now what he says, 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you. 3 years from now, now he is x years old. So 3 years from now means x plus 3. That will be equal to 3 times old as daughter. So after 3 years daughter's age will be y plus 3 because she is of y years old now. So how these two related? After 3 years Altaf's age will be 3 times daughter's age. So this is equation 2. We will simplify this. X minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 7 into 7, 49. That means 7y coming here. So x minus 7y minus 49 coming here plus 49. So minus 7 plus 49 equal to 0, or x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. What about second one? X plus 3 equal to 3 into y. 3y plus 3 into 3, 9, or x minus 3y plus 3 minus 9 equal to 0 means x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. So we have two equations. This is first equation, this is second equation. So this is the algebraic representation of the equation. Now we will try to represent this in geometrical form. Okay. So when x is equal to 0, y we can see y is equal to 6. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus, when y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 42. So we got 2 points so that we can draw the line geometrically. And what about this line? Again we will tabulate x, y. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 6. And when x is equal to 0, 3y is equal to minus 6. So y is equal to minus 2. Again we got 2 points so that we can draw the line in the graph. With this information, we can plot the graph. Move to the second question. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls. 3 bats and 6 balls for 3,900. Later she buys another bat and 3 more balls. So 1 bat and 3 balls for 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. So this can be written as 3 bat. Suppose the cost of bat we take it as x and the ball y, 6x plus 3y is equal to 3,900. This happened later, so we can take it as a and b. So a plus 3b, cost of bat is a and cost of ball is b. So a plus 3b is equal to 1,300. Why I am not taking this also same as x and y? Because these two incidents happens at different point of time and they may not give a solution also. That is why we are taking it as different variables. Now question number 3. The cost of 2 kg of apple and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be 160. So apple we take it as x. So 2x plus 1 kg of grape. So 1 grape, 1 y is equal to 160. After a month, that means later, 4 kg of apple, so 4x, and 2 kg of grapes, 2y is equal to 300. Here also we cannot take x and y because this happened on a later date, so this will not give a solution. So better we take it as 4a plus 2b is equal to 300. If we try to solve this, we will not get a solution because these two happened in different period of time. Solution we will see in the next session.